Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime.
What are you doing?
Having a game of nighttime, daytime. You want to play?
I don't know why, but I don't seem to have a lot of luck with women. I mean, I'm kind, I'm caring, I'm... No, it's a mystery, that.
Alan! 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 Al! Alan!
She's all neck and legs, look at her.
Oh, I am looking at her.
Stop looking at her.
You just told me to look at her.
Ow!
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 Ow! That's right, me throat, that. John, I don't think we're allowed to wee here.
It's fine, just keep a lookout.
Oh, that
was me zip.
Whoa! Where did all these come from? You know me, lads, I can't wee with an audience. Alan! 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 I'm Wolverine!
I'm Sabertooth!
Wolverine!
Sabertooth!
Wolverine!
Sabertooth!
Wolverine!
Sabertooth!
You can't get me on Wolverine!
I'm
Pack
Sabertooth!
it in, you know I'm working nights.
Cheer up, Trev. I'm all right, Bernie. Here, gag for you. This fella and a giraffe walk into a bar. Giraffe goes to sleep on the floor. Barman says, "Oi, what's that lying there?" Fella says, "It's not a lion, it's a giraffe."
Giraffe. You crack me up, Trev.
You just like to open wide, sir.
Okay.
You going anywhere nice on your holidays?
I think...
Yeah, don't try and talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir. My wife and I are thinking of going abroad this year. Dudley. She's got family in the zoo over there. You got kids?
yeah.
Please.